In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use CoinGecko's crypto converter. If you want to use CoinGecko's crypto converter, here's how to do it. Start by opening your browser and go into the CoinGecko website. Once the homepage loads, look around the top section of the site for the search bar and navigation options. To use the converter, you first need to open a coin page. Click on the search bar and type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to convert. As you type, matching results will appear. Select the correct coin from the list to open its page. Once you're on the coins page, look near the price section. CoinGecko provides a built-in converter that lets you quickly convert the value of that cryptocurrency into another currency. This converter is usually displayed near the current price area, making it easy to access while viewing the coin's market information. In the converter, start with the cryptocurrency field. This is usually already filled in with the coin you're currently viewing. Enter the amount of crypto you want to convert. For example, if you want to know the value of 2 Bitcoin or 10 Solana, type that amount into the crypto input box. Next, move to the currency field beside or below it. This is where you choose the currency you want to convert into. Click the drop-down menu and select your preferred target currency. CoinGecko supports both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, so depending on what you need, you can convert the coin into something like US dollars, Philippine pesos, euros, or even another crypto asset. As soon as you enter the amount and select the target currency, the converter updates automatically. The converted value will appear right away based on the current market price shown on CoinGecko. This gives you a quick way to estimate how much your selected amount is worth without leaving the coin page. If you want to try another conversion, you can simply change the amount, switch the target currency, or search for a different coin and repeat the same process on that coin's page. This makes the converter useful when comparing prices across different coins or checking values in different currencies. You can also use this feature while reviewing the rest of the coin page. For example, after checking the current price, market cap, or chart, you can use the converter to get a direct value estimate for the coin amount you have in mind. And that's it. To use CoinGecko's crypto converter, search for a coin, open its page, find the converter near the price section, enter the amount you want to convert, choose the currency you want to convert into, and view the result instantly.